Like most kids in the United Kingdom, I grew up eating plenty of flapjacks. For those outside the UK and don't know what they are, flapjacks are basically tasty little cereal bars made out of oats. My version has a bit of a twist with apples and cinnamons and seeds, which is perfect for this cold weather. My name's Isaac and welcome back to the channel. It's an easy recipe, so let's get baking. We'll start off with the syrup by melting some cubed butter, brown sugar, honey and golden syrup in a small pan. Golden syrup is a type of sugar syrup you can buy in the UK. I love this distinctive flavour because it's so buttery and caramelly, which is perfect for these flapjacks. But don't worry if you can't find it where you are, corn syrup is just as good as an alternative. Melt this over a low to medium heat for about 5 minutes, at which point it should start to simmer. Now the mixture will take a little while to melt and simmer, so let's use this time to talk about oats. I'm using 2 types of oats here because a good flapjack should really have a nice chewy consistency that isn't too hard or too gooey. The jumbo oats you see on the left here will give us more of a chew and the flavour, whereas the porridge oats on the right will prevent it from being too hard. Throw both of these into a mixing bowl along with some ground cinnamon and give it a good mix. Next, we want to peel and cube half an apple. Make sure the cubes are relatively fine, no more than 1 centimetre on each side. If they're too big, the flapjack won't hold together and it will be too wet. Also, try to use cooking apples with a bit of a tangy kick. They really help cut through the sweetness of the flapjack. Now, mix these with the oats when you're done. Okay, by now the butter should have fully melted and started to simmer. Give it a good mix and then remove from the heat. Slowly pour the mixture into the oats and apples, but please be careful, because trust me, being burnt by hot syrup is no fun at all. Combine all of this together using a spatula and we're almost ready to bake. Line a 20cm by 20cm baking tray with some parchment and fill it up with our flapjack mix. Now really try and pack in the filling evenly across the pan. When you're done, it should be flat just like this. And as for the final touch, I'm going to sprinkle some pumpkin seed and chia seed all over the top. Bake these at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Eventually it should come out golden brown just like this. Beautiful. Once it's out the oven, make sure you give it time to cool completely, otherwise the flapjack won't hold together and it will crumble. When they have completely cooled, cut them into squares, slices, bars or whatever shape you want. The apples, cinnamons, pumpkin seeds really take this flapjack to the next level. It's moist, it's chewy and it's delicious. So this is my version of the flapjack and how I jazz it up. What do you guys think? How do you jazz it up? I'd really like to know. Let me know down in the comments, but that's it for this week. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.